What's up, my loves? Welcome to my channel. Today I'm going to be showing you how to make this cute little strawberry shortcake from mostly dollar store products. Let's just get to it. Starting off, I'm just putting a little frosting on the cake board to prevent my cake from doing the slip and slide while I'm decorating it. It doesn't really matter what color or what kind of frosting because it's just going on the bottom of our beautiful cake. So I actually pre-made a 6-inch strawberry cake about a month ago, crumb coated it, wrapped it in plastic wrap, and stuck it in my freezer. If you are freezing cakes, make sure it's not by any bell peppers, onions, or anything like that, because I just feel like it gives it an icky aftertaste, and we don't want that. So you're gonna get your cake centered on your cake board, and now the real work begins. I'm gonna use this cream cheese frosting that I got from my dollar store. With any store-bought frosting, I like to whip it with a little mixer. I feel like it makes it fluffy, light, and easier to spread. I've seen recipes where you can use buttercream, but the cream cheese frosting just gives it that chef's kiss ice cream taste to me. But of course, to each his own. If you love a good buttercream, I love that for you. And on to the main event that most of you all came here for. Once we're done whipping it up in the kitchen, we'll take some freeze-dried strawberries. I got mine from Walmart because, of course, when I needed them, my dollar store didn't have them. But you're also going to need some golden Oreos. I used 2 packs of 8 cookies for my 6-inch cake, and that worked out perfectly. Take both your freeze-dried strawberries and Oreos and put them in a food processor. If you don't have a food processor, you can always crush them by hand or use a potato masher to crush them. My strawberry to Oreo ratio was a little off, so be mindful of how fine you mix them. I ended up going back in with just the Oreos because I want to create that distinctive strawberry shortcake look when they're mixed together, and that I did. Just look at that beauty. Once your mixture is to your liking, you're going to add a little olive oil, melted butter, or whatever oil of your choice to the mixture and just give it a little stir. The oil makes the mixture a little sticky and a lot less powdery. A little oil definitely goes a long way, but you can always go back and add a little more. You just want to make sure your mixture is not clumpy. And so now I'm back with my cake in my ratchet do-it-yourself turntable. And so now we frost this baby up. Usually it's easier to frost a cake with an offset spatula, but for some reason I can't seem to find one. So yes, I'm using a butter knife. Luckily for this recipe, the frosting doesn't have to be perfect because we're just going to add that beautiful strawberry crumble on top anyways. But do the best you can. Make sure it's not lumpy. Once that's all done, go in with your strawberry crumble and start packing it onto the sides and the top of your cake. This part is a little chaotic and messy, so I recommend having some paper down for easy cleanup later. I would also recommend taking any super big cookie pieces out of your crumble. I just think it makes the cake look a lot better, and it's just better for the bite, I guess. Once you're done packing the crumble on your cake, go in with your piping bag and pipe it up with whatever design you like. The dollar store has this reusable piping kit that comes with several heads. I'm not sure of the actual name, but for the sake of this video, they're going to be called piping heads. I got the strawberry macarons from TJ Maxx, and I didn't even count how many swirls to do on my cake, but I had just enough cookies to get the job done. After that, I went in with my cake topper that I got from Shein, and this was the final result. Be sure to comment and subscribe for more videos like this. Until next time, XOXO.